I abandoned the 2-camera system. That one looks bad. Shooting by yourself is very hard. Hey everybody, my name is Rachel and today I'm going to be making sourdough bread. First things first, kids, always wash your hands when you're cooking food. Not just during a pandemic. Everybody always says making bread is the hardest thing in the world. It's really not. So, I'm going to be using 2.5. Okay. It says 1 to 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. I'm going to use slightly less than 2.5 teaspoons of salt. So do 1 and some. It says to use 3/4 cup of water. I have a full cup here because sometimes when I make my bread it's a little bit dry. This is sourdough starter. It looks weird. This goes in the bowl. This is kind of the most important part. This is the next part. Yeah, this is way too dry. This is why I keep the extra water on hand. How am I missing this much water in my dough? Just dump the rest in there. Oh my god, that was probably too much. Oh god, what have I done? Okay. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We have a solution. Oh my god. Okay. Next step is to wash my hands, I guess. Oh my god. Alright. I'm probably gonna overcompensate. Just a skosh. Oh yeah, okay, we fixed it. We fixed it, we got it, crisis averted. Crisis averted, everybody. We got it. This is bread dough. This is bread dough that I'm holding right here. Okay. So now, take the dough, and you wash your hands again. You cover it with this is a lot wetter than I meant it to be, but at least damp towel. Alexa, set a timer for 90 minutes.
1 hour and 30 minutes, starting now.
Oh, 1 hour and 30 minutes. I think you're so much better than me. Washing my hands again. Let's take a look at our dough, which looks gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Next thing I need is this fancy little basket thing. It's just a nice little environment for it to raise all pretty. I don't know, I just use it. Other people use it. It's fancy, it looks nice. And I'm gonna put it in my little basket, face down. That was a lot shorter of a segment than I thought it was gonna be. Anyways, we'll be back in another 30 minutes. No, we won't. We'll be back in another hour. That's the one. I'm gonna wash my hands again. Alexa, stop. I have my oven preheating. It should have been done by now, but you know, I'm bad at foresight. Inside normally I would have a pizza stone. I broke my pizza stone a while ago. I just have like a sheet pan instead. Then underneath it I have another sheet pan with water in it. The water helps it steam. And this thing. It's called a long. This is just used to score the top so that it doesn't expand weird. I get a little bit fancy. I do a little spiral shape. Okay. Slide this puppy into the oven. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes. like really dense. It's like chewy, but not bad chewy. Oh, I'm gonna eat some of the plain stuff. Oh yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna eat a whole loaf of bread today. Thanks for joining me. Go make your own bread. I don't know how to end this video. We'll probably just cut it there.